Don't know, you know. I'm a lady at the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hello, family. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I recently had a great experience at a jerk chicken location in Orlando, Florida, and I have to share this with you guys. Jerkman, how are you today?
Doing good.
Good. So tell me about what you're doing here.
Okay, so right here is where we're doing the actual roasting of the chicken. And this grill can hold up to like 5 to 6 boxes on one side. As you see, it's a double grill.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is chicken. This is chicken. Over that side we have the ribs.
You have the ribs.
Yes.
And you fuel it with the wood?
Yes, wood. We cook with wood.
Oh, okay.
Give it a nice authentic flavor.
Okay. Is it a special kind of wood?
The good old oak. Just some oak wood.
Oak wood. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, this is a lot of chicken though, Jerkman.
It's a lot. Like
wow.
Right now, this is 6 boxes of chicken right
Okay. Guys, I see that it's rotating. Yes. Wow. I guess this grill must be very expensive.
Yes, it is very expensive.
Wow. I've never seen anything like this.
This will cost well over $20,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. What you have going on over this side, Jerkman?
Well, over this side, we had a lot of ribs, so we're taking them off now. So we only have like 3 pieces.
This is a slab. Okay.
Yeah. So these are some nice, tasty, juicy.
Yes. All right, guys. As you can see, it's huge. It has 2 sides to it. So we have chicken going on one side, the rotisserie, and on the other side we have the ribs. It's huge. Let me step back so you can get a better view, guys. All right. Yes. It's on wheels. So there we have it, guys. This is what goes on behind the scene, and we're gonna take a look at the process just before it comes here on the grill. Guys, this is the prepping. We have Jerkman here cleaning up. It's a lot of chicken, guys. All right, so guys, so this is where the behind the scenes take place. We see Jerkman cleaning up the chicken. It's a lot of chicken, and I'm sure it's very time consuming, Jerkman.
It is.
Yes. About how much chicken you process at one time?
Well, for today and Friday, it's 20 boxes. During the week, like 10 boxes every day.
Okay. How much is in one box?
40 pounds.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's a lot.
Yeah.
So you have to clean it up and then you
have to get rid of
season
the
it?
fat. Like, for example, this part here, we take these off.
Yes.
And you know what I mean? And stuff like these. We
Okay.
Get them,
Yes.
Try and get the fat off as best as I can.
Yes.
So, you don't have too much fat cooking with the chicken.
Correct. Yes. And then you wash it and
Definitely.
you season it
And
up.
season.
Okay.
So the seasoning is the final stage, and we have a blend of herb that we use, which is a secret, of course.
Of course. Yes.
Yes, so
Yes.
that is why you'll get the best tasting chicken around town.
Okay.
Right
Okay. Gotcha. How long you been doing this though, Jerkman?
yeah, we're doing this well over 8 years. going
8
9.
years.
Yeah,
Okay. So you're an expert at this.
pretty much so.
All right. I love that. That. All right. Anything you want to share with the viewers?
Come on out and get your chicken. The best tasting chicken in town.
All right. And where can they find that?
You can find us online at jerkmanbbq.com.
Yes.
And it's 2 locations. One is at the West Oak Mall, and here at Ivy Lane, the main the main store.
Yes.
On Ivy Lane, yes. So you just
Yes.
come on down.
Yes. And what can they expect when they come? Barbecue chicken, jerk chicken, what?
Yes, barbecue, right? Jerk chicken, ribs, which is like jerk chicken,
Guys, this is the finished product. The chicken is ready, and as you can see, it's looking very scrumptious and tasty. Let's go check out the restaurant at the mall in Orlando. Hi, Lazrika.
Hi,
How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good. How do you find working here?
Working here, I like the environment. I love the customers. I love my coworkers, and I like our customer service. It's good to me.
Yes. How long have you been here?
Actually, I haven't been here that long. I've been here
Okay.
maybe a month.
Okay, but you're liking it so far.
Yeah, I do.
All right. What are the popular meals that persons
We
order
have
when
the
they come?
number one thing we sell, the jerk fries.
Jerk fries.
Yes, the jerk
Okay.
fries. It's the fries with the jerk chicken on top without special sauce.
Okay, okay, and that's what they like. All right, all right. And what are the hours and the days that you're open here?
We're open from Monday through Saturday from 11 o'clock to 8 p.m. On Sundays, we're open from 11 o'clock to 6 p.m.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much, Lazira.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You as well. Bye. Guys, don't judge me. Yes, I'm here with this chicken. I just can't resist it. It's a lot, but it is so good. I think the secret is in the authenticity and the flavor. But talk about amazing, you have to check it out. Now, if there's a special place that you have, please go ahead and share it in the comment section. And you never know, we just may see each other there. Until next time. Ciao.